Ay, güey. Ojalá los pedos. Subscribe to JC Vlogs. What's up, Mike and Marihuanos? It's your boy JC Vlogs, back at it again with another video. And today I'm headed to the Bakersfield swap meet at the Kern County Fairgrounds. We're gonna be getting parts for the Lowrider bike. We're gonna be giving it a little makeover. And I'll be sure to bring you guys along and vlog as much as I can, show you guys the swap meet. Those of you guys that aren't familiar with the remate, the Bakersfield swap meet, I'm gonna be giving it a little makeover. Even though it already looked nice as hell. Let me hit you guys with a quick sock check. We got the Benjamin Franklin's $100 bill. For those of you asking, no, I don't wear my pants with my socks showing like that. I just do it for the video. I always put it back down. I don't walk around with my pants up to show my socks. That's weird. But if you come at me and you hit me with a sock check, I'm gonna show you some clean ass socks though. So funny story about that U-Haul. I actually worked there for almost a year until I refused the drug test. That was the end of JC Vlogs at U-Haul. But it was fun though. I did whatever I wanted, to be honest. Alright guys, so this is what the swap meet's looking like right now. There's nothing. Fuck. The swap meet was a bust, but we're here at the Mercado Latino. About to go walk around, vlog it for y'all.
Purchase your tracks today.
Damn, it's cold. Good morning, my marihuanos. It's about 8 a.m. Saturday morning. I was about to say Friday. Saturday morning. And I got something special for you guys. So something came in the mail Friday afternoon. I ordered I ordered some tires, some toyers, some new bike tubes, some grips and some pedals, along with a bunch of other stuff. But what came in yesterday was the tires, and I believe the pedals and the grips for the handlebars. I have a fucking hair in my mouth. Follow me along and stay tuned. Probably take it for a spin after when I'm done, you know, when it finally has air in the tires and shit, because I did get new bicycle tubes. Thank you guys for tuning in with JC Vlogs, and let's see what we get into, man. So here she is, my pride and joy. Damn, she looks good for some reason. It's not for some reason. When you put in work to your stuff, it'll look good. But chilling, posted. But holy cow, well that just happened. You guys should help me give it a name. What should we name it? I seriously do not have a clue what to name it. So a little bit about what other parts I want to change on it. I want to change the fender holders, twisted as well. That one twisted and that one twisted. Back here I only got this fender holder, so I would be switching that one to twisted as well. Add another one, which is where these holes are. In today's video though, we're going to be switching pedals, grips. We're going to be updating the tires to some new ones. There you go. So a little trick my tío Johnny taught me. Get it to stay. Breathe in it. Slap that bitch on. Onto the tires, and then I can finally go for a spin on it. I'm so excited, man. Let me get these new tires on real quick. I'll be back once it's all put together. There she is, all nice and done. Brand new tires, brand new pedals, brand new tubes, brand new grips. The moment I've been waiting for, now time to go for a spin. But some of you might be wondering, how the hell are you gonna go for a spin with it being that low to the ground? Never keep the spring on it. I learned from the first one they stole from me. So now without the spring, this motherfucker won't pedal. It looks nicer too when you're storing it. It looks slammed to the ground like a lowrider should be. Either way, I got bent forks, so it's stupid low. And there you go. There's a spring in there. She's ready to go for a fucking cruise. You guys tell I'm having fun though? Hey, I love my bike. A la verga la placa. So as I was saying before I was really interrupted by my license plate here, man, I'm gonna be 30 years old and I'm gonna be still cruising on bikes. I'm gonna have $1 million in my pocket and I'm still gonna be cruising on my bikes, man. I just love it. It's what I grew up around. It's all I've known, so it's what I do. I love it. I love it. Me voy a dar en el hocico yo aquí, pero me vale verga. Keep it steady, keep it steady. Ay, güey. ¡Ojalá los pedos! A pensar que estoy loco yo acá a la verga. Subscribe to JC Vlogs! There you guys have it, a quick little update on the Lowrider bike, changing the parts on it and everything. I appreciate you guys for staying tuned. Be sure to be subscribed and stay subscribed for more videos like this. Definitely more changes coming to the bike. You guys already heard them, you guys already know. Oh fuck, I'm still out of breath from that bike ride. Appreciate you guys for watching, for staying tuned. That's been a quick little update on the Lowrider bike. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.